大家好，我是 Vicky，印度人。
上次我说了，我的弟弟第一次去中国怎么样的感觉，我现在就问他。First time you go to China, what is your experience?
Very good experience. That was very awesome.
First time you sit in a flight?
I go inside and first watching everywhere. What is this? What is this? Touch anything. Window up down like this. Then fly. I watch continue 1 hour outside from window. After then I do like this. My neck is jammed. Too much pain.
How many cities you go there?
That time I go 4 cities. First we go to Kunming. After then Chongqing. After then Chengdu. After then again Kunming.
4 cities.
So that is 3 cities. Oh sorry.
What is the impression about China and India?
Anything is different. Weather also
Everything is
different.
different.
Anything else.
Everything is different.
Everything is different. Like people also different, weather also different, culture also different. So that time I go first time July, rainy season. I arrive there and go outside from airport. So I check weather is very good. Only 16-degree
虽然说
temperature.
很喜欢冷的天气，他不喜欢那个热的天气。他在印度这边，他现在都已经流汗的，里面都湿了。在中国都很喜欢他们的天气嘛，因为是他去昆明啊那些城市，全是冷冷的，就是重庆是最热的地方。我那个时候在中国那边工作嘛，我做完了工作我才让他过来中国嘛。我就订车，还有订房间了，他就后面自己坐车啊来。现在我问他车啊这些，因为他很喜欢那个车嘛，房间也是很好。
I don't know how to book a car, how to go to that place. That is such a nice car, very big, automatic. And first time I sit like this car,
Excitement or not?
very excited. Play Indian music also there in car. Very beautiful.
An apartment?
Apartment also very good. 3-floor apartment. I arrived there, meet Manu, and first we hug each other. I eat something, then see all apartment.
I start to packing.
Start,
Start packing
Yeah.
cargo.
go there, also working. Night working, morning wake up, then also working.
Send goods to SF.
SF, make box, packing.
That's a really good experience. First time you go and working over there. Again cargo. You think go there holiday. But go there again man. No, not let me work. But after work we also go to enjoy. He like that.
The apartment also have gym also. Small gym, 2 dumbbell only.
Checking के time पे तेरे को body नहीं पूछते?
They check in airport. Say like
After the check.
after they checking, they say stand here. I go and do like this. They just go. Don't check anything. And everywhere go, they do like this. First time I go there, I don't know what is this. I asked to him, what meat is this? He say, you eat, don't ask me. Yeah, it's small. He said, this is a small chicken. Don't ask, just eat. I eat, that is tasty, so I eat more.
And that is the
After-
problem. Meat.
After 4 years, he told me today, that is frog meat. Next time I don't trust him.
टेस्टी था ये नहीं बताना.
There is all ladies and girls, self-dependent. The taxi driver also lady. The
Restaurant.
toll tax, restaurant, bar, pub, everywhere is ladies staff and girls also.
对，就是我的一个朋友嘛，他跟他妹妹开车到400公里见我们了嘛，还有一个客人， 他自己不来，他的司机来接我们的，那个司机也是女的，他的就是这样的意思嘛。他看到大部分就是女的工作嘛，还有 independent。
He not take me anywhere for travel, for playing, for nothing. Only every time eat, eat, eat. Eat, sleep, repeat. Eat, sleep, repeat. Wake up, take shower, go to breakfast. After 2 hours, we'll go to lunch. After 3 hours, go to dinner.
Hot pot.
Every time eat hot pot. Every time. And after 3-4 hours, go to night snacks. Every time eat, repeat, sleep, eat, repeat, sleep, eat, sleep, repeat. Nothing is special.
后面3-4天以后不喜欢吃那边菜，他都去跑那个买汉堡嘛，汉堡也是不好吃了，还是中国的味道。
In China, have anywhere cycle. We rent we hire a cycle. Scan code, then log is open, then you go and pay, and again log. So we eat, gain too much. After that we ride cycle. We
For
drink,
digesting.
we digest and lose weight. After some time,
累了，
stand cycle, go by taxi. I mean, in Chinese person look like me. I feel like a King Kong.
no yeah King Kong not celebrity or
Yeah.
maybe look like King Kong
Like King Kong. I check my weight. I gain 3 kg because every time eat. Before I go like this, come like this. Too much eat. Too much get fit. And we celebrate there Manu birthday also. After 5-7 days, my birthday also, so we celebrate together. We go KTV, enjoy, sing song, drink, lot of fun. Enjoy too much that day.
他第一次看 KTV， 他进那个房间，哇，就是我们这些人而已吗？
China have like this. I never go before like this type of thing.
啊，K 酷里，啊，
आके खुली तो यारो बन
दीदार उनका होता है।
That also. जग घूमिया नार जैसा ना कोई.
对，
People are too friendly. Good behavior, familiar, good behavior. Everywhere, if I don't understand anything, they help me. They help us. And everything is good. Politely. Good person. Yes?
What?
So many gay catch me. Give me a champion. They offer me a champion. I don't know they are gay. I just
First
look
time.
like they first time I go China, they treat me a foreigner. They treat me a foreigner and say welcome to join us. I think okay, there's so many person in India do like this, but after that I must say they are gay. So I go run.
他们还抓他屁股啊！他就说马路，他们抓我的屁股怎么办呢？我说他们是 gay 了，跑吧你！我去过了很多次中国嘛，我都去过那些景点嘛，我很想吃东西，我就一直带他吃，不去带他 some tourist place 嘛。他一直问我可以去哪里玩，我说吃嘛，吃东西。我खाना खा ले tourist place नहीं है。还有他的影响也是很好。他说我去的时候是这样，来的时候是这样。还有后面他去过很多次嘛，他也是好玩的。不要吃那些东西。我不
That was my best experience in life. Because we enjoyed together first time. Maybe last time also because after that
We are
too
just
busy, so no go anywhere. together.
Sometimes he go alone, sometimes not go together.
Only India go to
Yeah.
together, not outside. Bye.
今天就说到这啊，拜拜。
拜拜
我是马路，
我是 Vicky. Duluran.